Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can get the TikTok 2021 badge on your profile picture. It's really easy, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So obviously the first thing that you will need to do is just head over to TikTok, and once we get there, the first thing that we will need to do is just search Kapwing, and it should be the first one. We are going to click on the user, and once we get here we are going to hit the profile image of this profile. Now in my case it doesn't give me the option, but in your case below the cat icon, their profile logo, should be a button which says get your badge. After you've done that, it should show a video that you will have to post on your TikTok, basically in order to get your badge. As you can see right here, in my case it doesn't give me the option, but you should be able to. And after you posted that video, it's really straightforward. What you need to do is just close your TikTok app and just open it back up, and then go ahead and check your profile. Now, as I said, in my case it doesn't give me the option, but you shouldn't have any problems while doing it. And when you will be back on your TikTok after you posted that video, you should have the option of you should already have your badge. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.